the duck pond. So there's like 3-4 ducks here. Very cute area. They're having a peaceful day. It's been very exciting today. We got ducks. We got a baby deer, a mama deer. It can't get any more exciting than this. And then here's Chong. He's just waiting patiently. He don't care about the ducks, but he sure cared about that deer. And when I see something else interesting, I'll vlog more. Alright, me and Chong are in another part of the park. It's a trail that leads off to the lake. You can hear the cars. I got a big sweater on today, even though it's kind of hot, because these mosquitoes like to eat me. They like my blood. I think they're in the grass. But you see we're right by the water. It's very pretty. It's very nice, especially when you're right next to the water. Early in the morning, it's a very nice sight. Kind of warms your heart. I actually haven't been here with anybody. This was, I guess, me and Chong's spots, we can say. But like I said, he's my best friend, so. Sadly, there's no animals in this area, but it is a very beautiful nature site all the same. So I guess it wasn't a wasted footage, but it's very pretty.